affected by the all the other graphical utensils. It is interrupted fully. How I'm gonna discuss about some applications of JavaScript, which is client-side validation program. Dynamic drop-down menus are also available. Like there are 100 plus libraries over there. Some libraries and some of the properties may include numbers, mathematical functions, proxy, and then a reflect. We can also edit some dates, big images, and then arrays, array buffers, atomics, errors. So there are huge kind of applications over JavaScript. So here is an example program. Now you can display that we have created a tag with a script, right? We are closing that particular tag here. So here, what I gonna print is a hello JavaScript by JavaScript. So this is what the output will be shown. So before that, we have write a document that right, which is nothing but what you gonna print or write in the particular document. So here I simply put some JavaScript languages for printing a simple word. So within a script tag I'm using it. So you already see that you can able to see it is a HTML pages which we have already discussed in the previous classes and sections. So this will be the output. Enter to JavaScript, hello JavaScript, and JavaScript, which is what inside the document that right. So summary of the session. So we have discussed about what is JavaScript and lightweight client and server-side programming language, and then we have discussed about the history, how it is coined and the year, what was its official name, and the who invented it and who developed it. So then some applications of JavaScript. Finally, we discuss how we implement a simple program for using JavaScript for printing something. So thank you for this.
Executing an RMA or sales in invoking the web services as in computing the responses directly, sending the explicit data that can be your documents or any other data to the client or a browser. This document can be sent in the variety of formats, including text like HTML, can be in HTML or XML. So even in binaries, GIF format, Excel, etc. So send the implicit HTTP response to the client, like this includes telling the browsers or other clients what type of document is being sent. For example, it can be in HTML. So they can set in some cookies and this and some others such as task, fish. So what is servlet packages? So classes run by web servers. So that can also have an interpreter that supports the Java servlet specification. Servlets can be created using some basic concept Java X dot servlet, and we can also create a servlet package by using Java X dot servlet by so which are all the standard part of the Java enterprise. So we also know JE used for the edition purpose. That is a version of the Java class library that supports large scale implemented the Java servlet and JSP specification. At the time of writing this tutorial, the version of JavaScript 2.5 and JSP 2.1 is a recent version. So Java servlets have been defined any other Java class. So after you install the servlet packages and add them to your computer's class path, you can compile servlets with the JDK's Java compiler or any other current compiler. So it will take you to step one. What will be the HTTP servlet and the servlet request and servlet response. So whatever the client gives the input, that could be your request. And what are all the data server. That's it. So these are all the over complete version of what is server. So